watch. Okay, okay. Let's go pick a different one. This is Amy, 5.5 months old. Come on, let's see it back up. No, we're not playing the drum right now. There. Amy, look. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You're going to get stuck. Say what?
For the camera?
You want to hold the camera?
Yeah!
Okay, we'll take another movie and you can hold the camera. Are you going to dance first?